Canva is an incredible tool for anyone looking to create stunning visuals, whether for social media, presentations, or personal projects. Let's dive into 20 tips and tricks that will elevate your Canva game. First up, use the grid and ruler features. These tools help you align elements perfectly, making your designs look professional. You can enable the grid by going to the File menu and selecting Show Ruler and Show Guides. This way, everything stays neat and tidy. Next, explore Canva's extensive template library. Instead of starting from scratch, find a template that resonates with your vision. You can customize it to fit your brand, saving you time and effort. Tip 3, leverage the brand kit. If you're working on multiple projects for a business or personal brand, set up your brand colors, fonts, and logos in the brand kit. This keeps your designs consistent and on brand. Fourth, use the magic resize feature. After creating a design, you can resize it for different platforms with just one click. This is a game changer for social media managers who need to adapt content quickly. Fifth, don't underestimate the power of shortcuts. Familiarize yourself with keyboard shortcuts like T for text, R for rectangle, and C for circle. These will speed up your workflow significantly. Moving on to tip 6, utilize the Elements tab. Here, you can find shapes, icons, and illustrations that can enhance your design. Search for specific elements to find what you need quickly. Seventh, consider using transparent backgrounds. This is especially useful for logos or icons. You can download your design with a transparent background by selecting the PNG format and checking the transparent background option. Tip 8, group elements together. If you have multiple elements that you want to move or resize together, select them all and click Group. This keeps your design organized and makes adjustments easier. Ninth, try out Canva's animation features. Adding subtle animations can make your presentations or social media posts more engaging. Just click on an element and select Animate to see the options available. 10th, explore the text effects feature. You can add shadows, lift, or even glitch effects to your text, making it pop and adding a unique flair to your designs. 11th, use the Find feature to locate specific elements quickly. If you're looking for a particular image or icon, just type it in the search bar, and Canva will pull up relevant options. 12th, take advantage of Canva's collaboration tools. You can invite team members to edit your designs in real time, making it easy to work together, whether you're in the same room or across the globe. 13th, experiment with color palettes. Canva has a color palette generator that can help you find complementary colors. Upload an image, and it will suggest a palette based on the colors in that image. 14th, use the background remover tool. This feature allows you to remove backgrounds from images effortlessly, making it easier to create clean, professional-looking designs. 15th, try out Canva's stock photo library. You can find high-quality images that are free to use, which can enhance your designs without the need for additional resources. 16th, utilize the comments section for feedback. If you're working with a team, leaving comments on specific elements can streamline the revision process. 17th, explore the content planner. This feature helps you schedule your social media posts directly from Canva, making it easier to manage your content calendar. 18th, save your designs as templates. If you find yourself creating similar designs often, save them as templates for future use. This can save you a lot of time down the line. 19th, always check the resize option before downloading. Make sure your design is the right size for its intended use, whether it's for print or digital platforms. Finally, keep experimenting. Canva is constantly updating its features, so don't hesitate to try new tools and techniques. The more you play around, the more you'll discover what works best for your style. With these tips and tricks, you'll be well on your way to creating eye-catching designs that stand out. Happy designing!